Greetings, fellow tech enthusiasts, and welcome back to Stocks Telegraph. Today, we're setting our sights on a fundamental building block of the digital age, Micron Technology, trading under the ticker MU. MU isn't just another chip maker, they're the memory maestros, crafting the essential components that power our computers, smartphones, and countless other devices. But what makes MU such a compelling investment opportunity? Here's a hint: it's all about artificial intelligence, the next frontier of technological innovation. Join us as we delve into the world of MU and explore why their chips could be the key to unlocking explosive growth. Is MU destined to be a winning investment in your portfolio? Let's find out. Before we dive into the data, we want to hear from you. Are you excited about the potential of artificial intelligence? What factors do you consider when investing in semiconductor companies? Leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Now, buckle up and get ready for a silicon safari as we explore the reasons why MU stock might be a game changer in your investment strategy. In the next segment, we'll unveil MU's recent financial performance and see if the numbers support the AI boom narrative. First up, let's talk about the current price. MU is sitting comfortably at $129 per share. This represents an impressive year-to-date performance of over 51%, showcasing significant growth. Furthermore, MU's momentum extends beyond the year. The stock has surged over 20% in the last month alone. These impressive figures suggest that investors are taking notice of MU's potential. But MU's story goes beyond just its stock price. Analysts are predicting a mean target price of $141.93, indicating further potential upside. Now, let's delve into the nitty-gritty. Earnings per share. MU boasts an EPS growth of a staggering 118.97% this year, with estimates expecting an incredible 844.54% growth next year. Combine that with the quarterly earnings growth of over 133% and a staggering 57.7% revenue growth, and you have a recipe for a potential powerhouse. MU's financial performance is undeniably impressive. Explosive EPS growth, soaring revenue, and a bullish analyst outlook paint a promising picture. Micron isn't just keeping pace with the AI boom, they're actively shaping it. They recently secured a monumental deal with the US government, a potential funding package of $6.1 billion in grants and $7.5 billion in loans under the CHIPS Act. This significant investment will fuel MU's ambitious $50 billion capital expenditure plan aimed at building advanced chip manufacturing facilities in the US by 2030. This increased production capacity positions MU to become an even greater leader in the AI chip market. One of MU's most sought-after products is high-bandwidth memory, a critical component for powerful AI systems. Demand for HBM is skyrocketing, with estimates predicting a tripling in production this year alone. This surge is driven by the growing adoption of HBM in AI chips developed by industry giants like NVIDIA. Micron is capitalizing on this trend, with their HBM production capacity for 2024 already sold out and the majority of 2025 supply already allocated. This exceptional demand signifies MU's pivotal role in the AI hardware landscape. The future looks incredibly bright for MU. The overall memory market is expected to experience significant growth, reaching a projected $338 billion in annual revenue by 2032, compared to $134 billion in 2023. Coupled with MU's increased production capacity fueled by the CHIPS Act funding, this market expansion presents a phenomenal opportunity for long-term growth. And let's not forget their impressive financial performance. MU is already experiencing explosive earnings growth, with estimates predicting a significant increase following a previous year loss. MU's strategic investments, cutting-edge technology, and alignment with the AI boom paint a compelling picture for their future. While AI is a major driver for MU, they're not a one-trick pony. MU boasts a diversified product portfolio, including DRAM, NAND, and NOR technologies, all crucial components for various computing applications. They're also at the forefront of scientific exploration with their CP2K platform, an open-source quantum chemistry tool. This powerful software allows researchers to simulate complex systems, potentially leading to breakthroughs in materials science and drug discovery. MU's commitment to innovation extends to strong industry partnerships. Their recent collaboration with AMD yielded impressive results. By combining AMD's latest EPYC processors with Micron's cutting-edge DDR5 data center memory, they achieved a remarkable 2.1x performance increase. This successful collaboration highlights MU's ability to push the boundaries of chip technology and cater to the ever-growing demand for high-performance computing solutions. MU's financial performance further reinforces their position as a strong investment contender. Revenue for the fiscal second quarter of 2024 reached $5.8 billion, a significant increase from $3.69 billion a year ago. This growth is mirrored in their net income, surging from a loss of $2.3 billion to a profit of $793 million, translating to earnings per share of 71 cents compared to a loss of $2.12 per share in the previous year. These figures paint a clear picture of a company on an upward trajectory. MU's commitment to innovation, diversified product portfolio, and strategic partnerships solidify their position as a leader in the semiconductor industry. So, is Micron Technology a worthy addition to your portfolio? The evidence suggests a strong possibility. MU isn't just a memory maker, they're a technological innovator at the forefront of the AI revolution. Their strategic government funding, commitment to HBM production, and diversified product portfolio position them for exceptional growth in the booming memory market. Furthermore, their impressive financial performance and collaborations with industry leaders like AMD solidify their position as a powerhouse in the semiconductor industry. Ultimately, the decision to invest in MU rests with you. Remember, responsible investing requires careful consideration. Research industry trends, analyze competitor strategies, and assess your risk tolerance. The semiconductor market is exciting but can also be cyclical. Conduct thorough due diligence before making any investment decisions. Micron Technology presents a compelling opportunity for investors seeking exposure to the future of technology. Their cutting-edge products, strategic partnerships, and commitment to innovation position them to capitalize on the ever-growing demand for memory and processing power. However, responsible investing requires a calculated approach. We've provided the information and analysis to help you navigate this dynamic market. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Do you believe MU is a strong contender in the AI chip market? What other factors are you considering when investing in semiconductor companies? Thanks for joining us on Stocks Telegraph. If you enjoyed this analysis, don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth explorations of exciting investment opportunities. Until next time, happy hunting!